A class is a set of statements defined within a namespace and a class declaration, written in a plain text file with a CS extension. If you have the C# Dev Kit extension installed, you can create a new class from the context menu. Otherwise, you can use the New File option to create a CS file. Class names follow Pascal case and should be descriptive, concise, and meaningful. To maintain organization, related classes should be grouped within logical folder structures, and specialized classes can use appropriate suffixes, such as service or controller. While a file can contain multiple classes, the best practice is to define one class per file to enhance readability, maintainability, and code organization.